Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to show details in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So here I'm going to create pivot table. To create pivot table, simply select the entire data. You just drag with the mouse and select here the entire data. Second way, simply select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In tables group, click on the pivot table option. Then click on the from table or range option. Here the pivot table from table or range dialog box is open. The first option, select a table or range. The range is automatically selected. Then choose where you want the pivot table to be placed. Then click on the new worksheet and click on OK. And here you can see the new sheet is added with the pivot table fields with the pivot table analysis tab and design tab. So here I'm going to create the pivot table. You just drag the fields and drop in the area where you want. So I just drag the customers in rows area, total price in values area, years in filters area, and that's it. Your pivot table is ready. So here, if you want to see the detail, you just simply double click on the any here the customers names I added. Just double click on the customer to check the full detail of the customer entries. So you can see the open here the another sheet details one. Okay. And the second way you can check, the simply select the cell and go to the pivot table analysis. In active fields group have option show details. Just click on the show details. That's it. Here the sheet is open with the details of data. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.